Very good morning to everyone. Me, Kinnari Halvadia, and today I'm going to present my presentation from paper number 11, Post-Colonial Literature, and my protagonist topic is racism or use of color in popular media. Okay, here's the Franz Oman Fanon. Franz Oman Fanon's journey from 1925 to 1991, and he was a French philosopher, Indian, psychiatrist. He was a political radical, pan-Africanist and Marxist humanist. Franz Fanon wrote a very famous novel, The Black Skin, White Mask. And here's the eight parts of his novel. The one is the black and white language. The second one is the woman of color and the white man. The third one is the man of color and the white woman. The fourth one is the dependency of the colonized. Sixth one is the black man and fifth one is the lived experience of the black man. Sixth one is the black man and psychopathology. Seventh one is the black man and recognize, and the eighth one is a way of a conclusion. So here I'm going to first I'm going to share about meaning of a racism. Separate and exclusive biological entities are called races. That there is a casual link between inherited physical traits and traits of a personality, intellect, morality, and other cultural and behavioral features, and that some races and intelligence superior to other the system and engage to perpetuate the discrimination of the basis of race or otherwise reinforce racial inequalities in wealth and income, education, health care, civil rights, and other areas. So here another definition from racism, meaning of racism. Since the late 20th century, the nation of biological race has been recognized as a cultural invention entirely without a scientific basis. Racism in Bollywood movies. Okay, here's an image from the movie Kambakt Ishq from 2009, and popular box office star Akshay Kumar puts an blackface on a terrible wig in distinguish himself in what is also supposed to be a comedy scene, but it is not funny. The second one is many times we saw a black face on the big screen, from Sridevi's backup dancer in Hawa Hawaii to Dharmendra playing a black man in Razia Sultan. Bollywood has used black face multiple times. Here's the another movie from a 1972 film Gora or Kala, which translates as black and white. Identical twins are separated at birth and grow up with dramatically different skin tones. The fair one grow up to be a nobleman, and another one with darker skin becomes a dacoit with a name translated Blackie, and massively popular star Rajendra Kumar put on a black face for that role. Another image is from the Priyanka Chopra's character award-winning film Fashion from 2008, and here's the scene from as Priyanka Chopra had drugs or alcohol, and she shared a mattress or a one night stand with the black man. Okay, here's some example from the famous Bollywood actress or actor and actress, which they faced a problem according their due to their skin tones or for racism. Sonam Kapoor is not just a queen of fashion in Bollywood; he equally fares and fairness. He comes to voicing her opinion according to PTI report while speaking at an event. Sonam Kapoor received that she herself has faced racism in many countries. She said, "They see brown skin and they judge you already. When I go abroad, people already have their perception like we are always in Pada or our parents are very conservative." The another one is Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra is our former Miss World and top Bollywood actress. She once she a victim of racism in US, as she was studied in school of US. The people called them a brownie skin, and at our Desi girl, she called as a Desi girl as well. Her family and relatives called her as a name with Kali, and it was a joke. But these things deeply affected Priyanka Chopra, but she didn't give up and went to become an lead in American TV shows as well. Here's another from Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Nawazuddin Siddiqui was also a victim due to his due to his dark skin, and always he get the side character role in Munna Bhai MBBS and in New York as well. In an interview, also he shared this many things and TV shows, and where also Nawazuddin did not fit in the kind of roles due to his dark skin complex. The talented actor has now made his own place in Bollywood with a national award in his kitty. Another one from Shilpa Shetty. Bollywood diva Shilpa Shetty also had a face racism while being on reality TV show Celebrity, Big Brother in 2007. The Dhadkan actress was moved for her Indian accent and was branded the Indian and the dog during her stay in the Big Brother house. And there were many controversies about that. Thus, she won the show, and she won the season of Big Brother at 2007. Here's the recent movie Super 30, and Hrithik Roshan also had a black skin in that movie. He walked right into Bollywood's age-old decade on races and class caste stereotypes, with the fair-skinned actor trances owing to tone of brown, apparently in keeping with his declaim role as a grassroots teacher from Bihar. So another advertisement here's there is a fair and handsome for men who want a zyada. And here's the Fair and Lovely advertisement. Some advertisement like as the man is using Fair and Lovely, and the another person says, stop using the girl cream Fair and Lovely and use the Mardo Valley cream, and that is a Fair and Lovely that was an advertisement as well. Okay, racism in daily soap. There is a serial Bidai, and in the serial Bidai, there were two cousins. Like the white one is a Sadhna, and the dark skin one is a Ragini. And these two cousins belongs from a wealthy family. As Sadhna is beautiful, and the society looks her favorable, but Ragini considered to an unattractive face and unfavorable treatment, and for further Ragini will marry in a much wealthy family with a good looking guy, and the Sadhana marry with a mental man, like men have a mental problem. So this is the destiny here as well. And here the Sat Fere, Saloni ke Sat Fere, in this as well, the struggle cops in the harness of society as the Saloni have a dark skin and determination has established a unique identity. The Saloni was. Sir, may I present a short video? Hello, sir, am I audible?
Sorry, is muted.
But yeah, it will be. You have already used lots of time. You might have managed your time if you wanted to show video.
Okay, it will very shorter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I hope my screen is visible. Okay, here the serial about the Saloni says that I haven't a problem with my skin tone, but the other families and her family told her about that racism in Bollywood and Gujarati songs as well. Gori Radha ne Kalo Kan, Kalo Kanudo ne Radha che Gori Gori, and another one is Gori hai Kalaiya. तू ला दे मुझे हरी हरी चूड़िया दैट वेल अनदर वन इज गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा it will be as thing like that काला काला चश्मा on गोरे गोरे मुखड़े so another one is मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा है गोरे मुखड़े पे it will be like मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा है on गोरे मुखड़े पे चिटिया कलाइया ओ बेबी मेरी white कलाइया it will be a black कलाइया as well. Okay, so what are the objects? Objects are the facts, certain limitations, mental statements are there, no binaries according to their desire is common, there is a superior and inferior inferiority as well, thinking, mentality and psychology is there, and blackness is the many of them are a victim of that, and the society or culture are make them a victim. Okay, there is a meme about that the government job effect like that. Or conclusion, all these problems of radial determination are mental construction. Human is important rather than skin color. If your skin is white and you make a difference between black and white, that is your heart is a black. Fanon says, oh, my body always make me men work question, because Fanon was a doctor, but at that time he didn't get much status or level because of his black skin. Here's are the work citations.